Hello everyone, this is Peter from Dopre Bricks. I'm a sales. Today we will show you our caliper pin set. The dopre item number is K000472. It's the universal caliper pin repair kit, and the OE number is K000472. The guide pin and the rubber parts is packing separately to protect the rubber parts away from the grease and oil. First, this is our rubber bushing. Same as OE specification and the rubber parts. It's good quality. Okay, next is the dust cover. It's made of good material silicone. Then it's the guide pin. It's the short pin, and the surface heat treated is from 30 to 35 HRC. The last one is a long guide pin with the bronze bushing. It heat treated to 45 to 50 HRC. Thank you.